Hey guys, it's Chris here. I was just going to share a couple things about painting, how to paint, and what's, easy ways to start painting. So, one thing you're going to notice is uh, everybody starts somewhere. Like, you might be great, you might not, but you start somewhere. So, just do what you can do. So, I'm going to show you what I did today. I painted this right here. So, this is a picture of Cozumel. I went to Cozumel earlier this year, and you can see I made some little dive boats. Those are my dive boats right there. I put a couple, those are sharks. They're pretty big sharks. I might have to make them a little smaller. I put a cross up here because I'm Christian, and I like to. I guess that's what was on my heart. Is God's always on my heart, and so this is not finished, but I started with a lot of the blue. I just made blue, made the sand, and then I worked on the sky. I might add some lightning and like a umbrella down at the bottom, beach ball. Might add a little bit more. You can see I try to make it's kind of like a wave coming in. So everything starts somewhere. I just I bought like a little paint kit right here. You can see I got some kind of have a mess right here, but that's what I painted today. Is a sunset. I'm probably gonna work on this part right here a little bit more, and so I would just recommend do something that's you're interested in. Like paint something you're interested in that's on your heart. And then it almost becomes real. Parts of this I'm really impressed with myself, and other parts I'm like, whoa, I need to work on that. Maybe the clouds or the, that's a pretty big shark compared to the size of the boat, but it's okay. Guys, just do what's on your heart and let it flow. I think Bob Ross used to say, it's a happy canvas. So just have fun painting, and you never know. Maybe you could give something like that to a friend as a gift. It's from your heart, and you didn't go buy it. So and it's art. It's your art. It's your imprint on the world. So like I said, I put the cross on here because I'm a Christian. I'm always trying to remind people of Jesus and His forgiveness and His mercy and His grace, and that's the greater calling here on earth is to do the Master's work, to share Christ, and there's a lot of different ways we can do that. Like I said, I went to Cozumel earlier this year. It was incredibly beautiful. It was definitely one of the best trips of my life. I got to go underwater, do some scuba. So, I didn't paint any underwater fish, obviously, because this is a view from the land. But anyways, guys, just have fun, and the easiest way to paint is to paint.